Did you know that alcohol pads are one of my favorite non-crafting items to keep in my Stampin' Piece studio? I'll tell you why. I have two ways I like to use these. The first is to clean my clear blocks. You know how they can get a little gunky, pick up oils from your fingers, maybe lint. As you can see on mine, I even get some adhesive on there at times. Not quite sure how that happens, but it does. Could take off ink, anything you like, just some easy rubbing back and forth and all around. And in seconds, your blocks will be super clean, just like that. Good as new. The other reason I keep alcohol pads in my studio is because sometimes our photopolymer stamps don't stick to the blocks as well as we like them to. There are several reasons for that as well. Again, the oils from your hands, picking up lint, not getting them perfectly clean from the chamois or whatever we're using, soaps, that kind of thing. So what I like to do is just clean them off. And I usually do both sides, but especially that back side, the flat side, clean that off, take off any lint, oils, etc. Give it a moment to dry, and then they will stick like new. I hope you have found these tips helpful, and I look forward to sharing more craft room tips with you.